Christmas at Hull Truck Theatre. Come along and see The Little Mermaid. Coral is a curious and kind young mermaid who loves talking to her family and fish friend, Finn. She is shy around strangers, but dreams of singing in front of others. Coral meets Charlie, a human boy. Can he help her feel brave enough to sing? Or will the sneaky sea witch force Coral to give up her voice forever? There'll be fun, laughter, some audience interaction, puppetry, songs, and undersea adventure, colourful sets and costumes. The show is about friendship, confidence and courage, and is for ages between 3 and 6 years old and their families. A BSL interpreted show will be on Saturday, the 20th of December at 1:15. Tickets can be booked by calling 01482 323638 or email boxoffice@hulltruck.co.uk. See you there.